chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arrange them like this in front of a wall. Next, you need a bed sheet to cover the tent. Make sure it is not too heavy and make sure it is light color so a lot of light reaches inside your tent and it's not dark inside. Now let's spread the bed sheets over the chair. Now it will look like this. You add a lot of cushions and pillows inside. Now it's time to decorate your tent.